There have been several tax changes due to the current pandemic. The stimulus, as you've probably heard it called, which are actually economic impact payments, they are not taxable income for federal income tax purposes. Remember, not taxable income. If you did not receive both stimulus payments, you may be able to claim what is called the recovery rebate credit on your 2020 tax return. This rebate is based on your 2020 tax information. Generally, this credit will increase the amount of your tax refund or decrease the taxes that you owe. The IRS will begin accepting individual tax returns on February 12th of this year. After spending almost 40 years in the accounting field and over 20 years in the tax field, I have never seen a year quite like 2020. I don't think anybody has. I'm Emerstein, E, as my friends call me, from divorcecoachforyou.com. I'm the divorce coach for the seasoned woman. Now, the first stimulus payment was $1,200 or $2,400 for a married couple, plus $500 for each qualifying child that you had in 2020. Remember, 2020. The second was for $600 or $1,200 for a married couple, plus $600 for each qualifying child you had in 2020. Now, this credit will phase out or decrease if your adjusted income is $150,000 for a married couple filing jointly or a qualified widow or widower, $112,500 for head of household, or $75,000 if you use any other filing status. You should have received IRS notice 1444 for the first stimulus and IRS notice 144B for the second stimulus. These notices will tell you the amount you receive for each stimulus payment. If you're eligible for the recovery rebate, you will use the information from these notices to help you calculate the credit amount. If you do not have these forms 1444 or 144B, you can get them if you sign up for an account at irs.gov. To set up an account, you will need your full name, social security number, tax filing status, and your current address. I have included a link below to the IRS website where you can create an account if you don't currently have one. You must file forms 1040 or 1040SR to claim the recovery rebate credit, even if you don't normally file a tax return. For example, if you receive Social Security disability. The key is you cannot be claimed as a dependent on another person's 2020 tax return. Also, you can elect to use your earned income from 2019 to figure your 2020 earned income credit if your 2019 earned income was higher. Your earned income credit is based on the income you earn while working a job. This is important since many individuals receive unemployment benefits in 2020 that are not considered earned income. Remember, not considered. New this year, you may qualify to deduct cash charitable contributions made to eligible organizations up to $300 that you paid in 2020, even if you don't itemize. Now, this is pretty good because a lot of people no longer itemize due to the standard deduction sometimes being more than the itemized deduction. The standard deduction amount has increased from the previous year. For record-keeping purposes and for proof, one should get a receipt or an acknowledgement letter from the charity before filing a return, and also retain a canceled check if you have it, or a credit card receipt. Be sure to seek the advice of a knowledgeable tax professional. As an individual who has prepared taxes for over 20 years, I know how important it is to have a competent professional prepare your tax return. And this is because the tax laws are constantly changing, and one has to keep abreast of these changes. I'm also a certified divorce coach whose focus is on helping women age 50 and older emotionally heal during the divorce process and repair their lives so that they're even better once they come out on the other side. Let me know if I can be of assistance to you. Again, this is E from divorcecoachforyou.com. I'm a divorce coach for the seasoned woman. Please like and subscribe to my video and click the notification button. Leave a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. Let me know if this video was helpful. Share it with your friends who might need to know this information. I'll see you next time. Bye.